Welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're looking at the 2020 Boston Whaler Vantage. This is a 230, 23-foot dual console boat. This is one of the more popular boats they have. This is a 23-foot version. This is powered by Mercury 300 horsepower outboard. This boat has all the creature comforts of a family, but it also has the ability to fish. Starting from the stern of this boat, you notice it's got the two rocket launchers back here. You got the pull-out seat back here for passengers, or if you're fishing, you can lean against it and use it as a leaning post. Boat has a shower built into it here, allow you to wash down the deck. That is a freshwater powered shower. It also has a raw water wash down if you choose to do that. Coming forward in the boat, you look at the boat, there's quality throughout. The hard top, the powder coated support, your extending shade, all for the comfort, get out from under the sun. This boat has a live well built in under the seat, so when you're using it for fishing, you've got an active live well down here. Or if you didn't want to ride back here, you can ride and face that if you're using it for water sports, or ride facing forward if you want to do that. Notice the quality of the stainless steel, the quality of the hardware, typical of Boston Whalers throughout. Coming forward into the capstan sheet, which is bolstered, you have the Fusion Bluetooth radio, you have the Mercury vessel view, and you also have the Marine 12-inch display. All for nav, for fish finding, for all the things you need to be successful looking for fish. Of course, it comes with a compass built into it. Leaning forward, going forward, you have in this boat also a head. This is a true pump out head, vacuum flush with a sink and a holding tank. Very rare to find this big of head on this size boat. You also have besides the underdeck storage, you have the air dam here. So on cooler days, you can cut off the flow of air into the boat. Coming forward, so that you can be back here in relative comfort. Behind this door is another storage compartment, complete with a bucket, table, all the things you need to store in here. There's a lot of room for life jackets, etc. This boat also has the optional center cushion for the cockpit. This is removable. All these are removable, of course, but you just can walk in here. If you're going to fish the boat and you're going to use this as a deck, then all these come out and be put away, and then you've got non-skid surfaces all the way around, so that you can use this as a fishing deck. Anybody that knows Boston Whaler knows that their quality is renowned, their safety is renowned, they're still the unsinkable legend. They're safe for your family, they'll get you back, they provide hours of enjoyment and safety and security for everybody. It's a great way to go. Thank you.